Hiya, it's Richard here from Williams Crawford. Just going to talk through 3 of the Motorsport cars here at the moment. So this one here, my own car, used it at Castle Combe, and what we found 2 faults. It was starting to run out of brakes by the end of the race, and also going over Avon Rise, which is a little bit testing at the best of times, it felt in the rear end, it was porpoising. So we've had all new rotors, new pad combo on it. Very, very pleased. And with the adjustable bias on it, we've been able to set that up, really give it a lot more brake efficiency. And also we've had some bespoke shock absorbers made for the rear, and there's much more adjustability in them. So we've had to set that up. We're about to just corner weight it, get it a little bit more aggressive, and set up all our 4-wheel alignment. So that one there is out at action again towards the end of the year, but it's getting very close. The one next to it, customer's car. So this is one that we featured a bit. He is using it on sprints, hill climbs, etc, etc. But on Friday of this week is its IVA test. So as you can see, back onto road tyres, got some Michelin pilots. This one here, everything is now present and correct. Car's MOT'd off the chassis number, so that helps its registration process. But the handbrake, the horn, the washers, all the things that it were missing, done, dealt with. Literally Friday is its big day, and in our local area it's quite an IFO. I should think that when it's out and about with the owner using it, it should be very visible. On my own little Group 4 car, done a super Cornish event and went down to Portreath last weekend, managed to win the class. Car is impeccable, handled beautifully, worked well, never had to put a spanner on it all weekend, and I think after the whole weekend it was something like 3rd or 4th overall, and that's including single seaters, caterhams, bits and bobs. So very impressed, very happy, had a great weekend. So hopefully of its interest to you, and excited to get back out there again in them. Many thanks.